Rogue Community College has placed a bond on the November 2024 ballot, Measure 17-119. A bond is a request made to voters to fund updates and repairs. Bond funds can only be used for capital construction and projects approved by voters. 100% of bond funds remain in the community. Why is the proposed measure being referred to voters? Community college facilities are owned locally by our communities, and in order to fund large-scale repairs or expansion, the community college typically needs to make an ask of local voters. In 2005, Rogue Community College, RCC, began a plan to upgrade our 3 campuses to ensure we can better serve our community and meet the growing demand of skilled workers in Jackson and Josephine counties. The 2016 bond created the RCC Health Professions Center and Science Center. Although we've made significant progress, our 3 community college campuses face challenges. 1. Meeting local demand for skilled workers. The Career and Technical Education, or CTE facilities, lack space for hands-on learning, instruction, and the ability to expand workforce training programs in fields like automotive, commercial truck driving, pre-nursing, welding, manufacturing, and EMT that would serve our Rogue Valley employers and community. 2. Student and staff safety. All 3 campuses currently lack safety and security measures, like automated lockdown systems and modern access controls. 3. Aging buildings. Building systems like roofs, siding, and HVAC across the college need repairs and/or replacement. ADA accessibility upgrades would provide equal access to public buildings. 4. Outdated learning environments. Classrooms, labs, and technology need important upgrades in order to support student workforce training. If passed, how would the proposed bond address these areas of concern? The proposed bond would raise $60.3 million and would fund the following projects in Jackson and Josephine counties at Table Rock Campus in White City, Redwood Campus in Grants Pass, and Medford's Riverside Campus. Increase capacity in workforce and student training programs. Commercial truck driving, pre-nursing, welding, manufacturing, and adding automotive at Table Rock Campus, White City. Automotive, welding, manufacturing, and adding EMT and diesel programs at Redwood Campus, Grants Pass. Modernize the Student Success Center and classrooms at Riverside Campus, downtown Medford. Safe, secure, and accessible campuses. Upgrade camera systems, enhance lockdown capabilities, and improve accessibility. Repair and update aging buildings. Repair or replace roofs, siding, flooring, HVAC, and electrical systems. If passed, what would the proposed bond cost taxpayers? If you live in Jackson County, this measure would continue the existing tax rate. Taxpayers will continue to pay the estimated rate of 13 cents per $1,000 of assessed property value, which translates to $1.71 per month, or $20.62 per year for the average homeowner in the district. If you live in Josephine County, the new bonds are estimated to increase the tax rate by 9 cents per $1,000. Taxpayers would pay an estimated 13 cents per $1,000 of assessed property value, which translates to $1.21 per month, or $18.12 per year for the average homeowner in the district. State matching funds. RCC anticipates receiving $15 million in state grants if the bond is approved. Oversight. If the measure passes, bond funds can only be used for voter-approved projects outlined in this video. Bond funds cannot be used for college operations, salaries, or other expenses. The Rogue Community College District Board of Education would provide oversight to ensure all bond funds are used for the purpose approved by voters. What happens if the proposed bond measure does not pass? If the measure does not pass, the district would not sell bonds to fund the projects outlined in this video. As current bonds are paid off, estimated tax rates will continue to decline. Want to see a detailed list of proposed bond projects or learn more? Please visit www.rogueccbond.org. And please remember to vote by November 5th.